All women say they want a good man until they actually meet one and realize they're not equipped to.
Viewers all over the world, as you already know by name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu, Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. I begin know our philosophy and life. Philosophy and life work I jacowa ihe na-eme na ndụ. Ihe kwesịrị ịma amamihe nke ụwa ị ga-ama ụwa wee dịrị gị mma. Watch that trending video. Ihe ọ na-akọwa m is an advice to women. Most women will always say they dream to have a good man. But the question is, there are some certain things you will be able to do in order to keep that good man. A good man is not easy, because a good woman will never change to your level because of emotions. No. A good man will never change his vision, his dreams and target in life because of you to please him. So it's one thing to dream to have a good man as your partner. It's different thing altogether to keep that good man. Because a good man has standard he must have set for himself. It's either you meet up to the standard or you check out. So every woman will say, I'm dreaming to have a good man, I'm dreaming to have a good man, but the point still remains. When you have one, will you be able to meet up to what that man wants and what it takes to keep a good man? Yes, because a good man can never bend because of your emotion or because of what you want. Watch that video and learn from it. Thank you.
All women say they want a good man until they actually meet one and realize they're not equipped to handle him. A good man is not convenient. He doesn't bend to accommodate chaos. He doesn't rearrange his values because you're emotional.
A real good man has discipline, boundaries, and priorities that don't shift based on your mood. And this is where women get confused. When you've never met emotional maturity, you misread everything. You call him cold because he won't tolerate drama. You call him selfish because he protects his peace. You label him detached because he refuses to beg for your approval. But that's not coldness. That is self-respect. A man who knows his worth doesn't move from insecurity. He moves from conviction. Good men don't chase drama. They don't chase chaos. And they sure as hell don't chase women who weaponize emotion. They build, they lead, they create order. Most women aren't ready for the responsibility that comes with a stable man, because stability doesn't feed your need for emotional roller coasters. It doesn't scratch that itch for unpredictable validation. For women raised in dysfunction, peace feels boring until you lose it. A good man requires partnership, respect, and a woman who's emotionally regulated, not reactive, not reckless. Stay solid. Good men don't bend, they build. And the right woman rises to meet him.